So before an aircraft ever flies, we need to know exactly how it's going to behave, and that we find out here in the wind tunnel.
We are in KTH Stockholm, testing a scale version of Noemi, our full electric go anywhere airplane.
KTH is one of Europe's leading technical universities, and we are very lucky to be able to test here. We're getting very good help from the experts that work here every day. And the scale model that we built is built specifically for this test. It's a wind tunnel model with a wingspan of about 1.5 meters. It's built to be incredibly robust to take the high winds that we are experiencing here in the wind tunnel to make sure that we get the data we need.
So today's test is certainly a milestone in Noemi's development, and the data we collect here will be used to better understand the performance of the plane. It is also going to be used to validate some of our tools, to calibrate some of the methods we've been using, and it's also going to feedback on some of the design decisions we've taken so far. It could, in some scenarios, lead to small changes of the design, and it will be used on the next steps to feed future models and to feed future analysis.
The fact that we can land on both water and land impacts the shape and structure significantly, because the bottom of the aircraft has to be shaped in a way where it can land and take off from water, but at the same time we need landing gear that stows somewhere, hides somewhere, comes out so that we can land on a runway. And the question is, how well are we able to hide this landing gear? Will it have to protrude a bit? How much drag will it produce? These are all things we're testing.
Noemi was designed in such a way that it would have an excellent performance in terms of takeoff and landing, or in other words, that it would be able to take off and operate from short runways, both from water and also in the land. This is done with particular care to the flaps, which are the high lift surfaces of the aircraft. And here in the wind tunnel, we have been able to confirm some of those numbers. We are basically expecting to have quite a good takeoff and landing performance for Noemi. So one of the innovations that Noemi has when compared to existing seaplanes is its wingtips. So the winglets that were designed for this plane had in mind a reduction of drag, and they lead to an increase in range. So what we're seeing here actually confirms a lot, but at the same time it also challenges some of our assumptions, which is pretty much why this process matters.